After high-temperature baking, there is no bulging. The marks after baking can be easily wiped off. The material is solid. The repair pad is 5 mm thick. Fold it freely. It can be restored in 1 second. With multiple grooves, it can hold various mobile phone electronic components. Small grid for screws. Never worry about losing it after tightening. It's made of high-temperature resistant material. After tinning, it's easy to clean. Wipe, and it's clean. Dropping glue on it is easy to pick up, without leaving any marks. Wipe it with sweat and oil to clean it. No more struggling with residual glue marks. Various models are available, suitable for various repair environments. Good quality, recognize YYD.